Hi guys, it's Mr. B here, and today we're going to look at your and there and there. Those words that trip a lot of people up because they sound exactly the same, but we use different ones for different situations. Trips a lot of people up, even people who spoke English for a long time and have written English for years and years and years. So if it's making your life a little bit tricky, don't worry, you will get it, okay? So first we're going to look at your and we're going to look at your, okay? So the first your that we have, which is just Y-O-U-R, that is possessive, okay? And what I mean by that is when we use it, we're saying that something belongs to someone, okay? Something that we might write like, this is your ball. So we're saying that that ball belongs to them. We might say something like, this is, your meal. Because we're saying the meal belongs to them. Sometimes we also have an S on the end as well. We could say, this is yours, okay? And that means that it belongs to someone, okay? Now, the reason we would use U apostrophe R-E, so Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, is because that is actually a contraction. What we mean a contraction is when we join two words together and use an apostrophe in the place of the letters that we've missed out. So this actually means you are. And you can see the apostrophe goes there because we missed out the A. So you are. So we would use this for something like, you are a nice person. Okay, so we're saying you are a nice person, but we just say you're a nice person. We'd use apostrophe and R-E. Another example, you're going to a party. In that one, we're saying you are going to a party, but condensing it down to you're going to a party. Okay? So when we look at it, just think, can we say you are? Is that you're there for you are? In this one, we couldn't say this is you are ball or this is you are male. So we wouldn't fit in, so we know we're using this are. Okay? Next thing, we're going to move on to there, and there. We're going to see which one we use for which situation. Now let's look at the three different theirs that we have and see when we would use them. Now the first one, there with T-H-E-R-E, is for a place or location. And we would use this if we were saying something like, the car is there. Because we're talking about the location of the car, where it is, okay? I went there. It's telling us a place or location where someone went. Now, the next one we're going to look at is there, where it's T-H-E-I-R. Now, this is a possessive verb, okay, which tells us that something belongs to someone. So you might say something like, the house is theirs. Okay, the house belongs to them. We might have something that's like, it is their party. This should be saying that the party belongs to them. They're the ones that own it. Okay, and then the last one we have is the there with apostrophe and R-E. Very similar to the your with the apostrophe and the R-E, and it means the same thing. It's a contraction. That means they are. Okay, so we would use this in something like, they're really fun. Okay, because we could say they are really fun. They're really fun. Okay, and we could also use they're going home. They're going home. Okay, and that would be short for they are going home. So that's the three ways that we would use the three theirs, and obviously before the two yours. Now, it does trip a lot of people up, easy for me to say. Even people who spoke and write English a lot of times. So if you're struggling with it, don't worry, just lots and lots of practice, drill it in your mind and you will remember. If you like this video, obviously give us a like please. And if you need any help, drop them in the comments down there below, or on the Facebook and the Twitter page. Sorry, mine went blank there, and I'll try and get back to you. Obviously, if you know anyone else that this could help, share it with them, and hopefully we can help as many people as we can. Lastly, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the button after the video, and any videos that I put up for English or maths, you'll get straight away and they can help you. Until next time, see you later.